Right, we are here somewhere in restaurant now. Here's the elevators. Iya Pak, sebentar. Thank you Pak. Alright, let's go to B. Chitek elevators. It is the small elevators here. Very small elevators. So Chitek elevators. How small is this elevators? Alright, here we are at B. What button go out? What's the button go out? Ooh. Okay, that's the elevators. Right now, let's go down. Yo, bye Pak. Alright, let's go to 2. Right. Here we go down. These are very small elevators. What do you think about this elevator? Summer Surfing, also known as Samuel. GC95 elevators, what about you? And what about you, Jim Lee elevators? What do you think about these elevators? Oh my god, this take a long time to re-levels. Okay, it is not leveling. Okay, here's the button. Alright then, let's go to 1. This time we're gonna watch the button go out. Okay. Alright, let's watch the indicators. Alright, here are 1, watch the button go out. Alright, here I at 1. As you can see the shaft there. This is a small elevators. And also, alright, there it goes. And thank you, and big thank you to our staff for allowing me to record these elevators. There it goes. Alright, there it goes, and that's it.